Welcome to day 1 of your 7-day flat belly challenge. Today, we're starting with simple yet powerful beginner-friendly moves that you can do right at home and no equipment needed, just your mat, your body, and a mindset ready for transformation. This is not just a workout, it's the start of your new journey. So take a deep breath and let's begin. We'll start by warming up the body with a basic *** march in place ***. Keep your arms swinging gently and lift those knees with energy. This wakes up the body and gets your blood flowing. Keep going for 30 seconds. You're already showing up, and that's the hardest part. Now we move into *** high knees ***. Bring those knees up toward your chest as high as you can. Engage your core and stay light on your feet. This not only targets belly fat but also starts to increase your heart rate. You've got this. Keep breathing. Keep moving 40 seconds on the clock. Next, slow it down with *** standing side crunches ***. Stand tall. Bring your elbow toward the same side knee as you lift your leg sideways. You should feel your obliques, those side belly muscles are tightening. Alternate sides. Let's go. Right side, then left side. Controlled movements, no rush. Let's hit the mat now for *** leg raises ***. Lie flat on your back. Hands under your hips. And raise your legs together up toward the ceiling. Then slowly lower them back down. Don't let your feet touch the ground. This is one of the most effective exercises for that stubborn lower belly fat. Keep your lower back pressed to the mat. You'll feel the burn, embrace it. Now, into *** plank hold ***. Come into a forearm plank. Your elbows should be under your shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your abs. If this is your first time, hold for 20 seconds, or push to 40 if you can. Feel your core tighten. This is how strength begins. Alright, now back to standing for a quick *** side dash to dash side step with arm reach ***. Step to the right, reach across your body. Then step left and reach again. This is light cardio but keeps your core working. Let's keep the body warm and the sweat coming. Stay with me. Now onto *** bicycle crunches ***. Lie down again, hands behind your head, knees bent, as you lift your shoulder blades. Twist to bring your right elbow toward your left knee. Then switch sides like you're pedaling. It's a killer core move. Take it slow and stay controlled. You're doing amazing. Alright, time to stand up and bring it home with a burst of energy. Let's finish day 1 strong with *** jump rope simulation ***. No rope needed, just bounce lightly on your toes and swing your arms as if you're skipping. This is your finisher, your mini victory lap. Push through it. And you did it. That was day 1 of the flat belly challenge. You just took the most important step of showing up. The moves may feel simple, but when done consistently, they create powerful results. Stay hydrated. Stretch out if needed, and be proud of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2, where we'll go deeper into that lower belly and challenge your core even more. Until then, keep moving, keep believing your transformation has already begun.